How to invest in DEGIRO. Follow these instructions. Install DEGIRO app, sign up with email, verify your ID, and complete tax info to activate your investing account. Tap, deposit, withdraw, choose your linked bank, and transfer funds via SEPA or software to load your DEGIRO balance. Use the search bar to find stocks, ETFs, or funds by name, ticker, or category like tech, energy, or global markets. Tap an asset to see its chart, recent performance, key figures, and company details before deciding to invest. Tap Buy, enter quantity, pick market or limit order, and press Place Order to complete the transaction. Open Portfolio to track all your holdings, check profit, loss, and monitor live prices and investment value. Start small, stay diversified, follow market news, and regularly review your portfolio to grow your investing skills. Thank you for watching.